Jeremy from Kitchener writes to say his accountant is currently under investigation by the RCMP. He wants to know if he should be worried about the money he is holding in his offshore bank accounts.
He should be very worried because when they interview the accountant can be forced to talk. It's not like a lawyer. An accountant doesn't have any right of confidentiality. So if the RCMP says to him, well, what about your clients? Let's go through all your clients. If the accountant is crooked, maybe he's done some crooked things for his clients. So they'll go through the whole list of clients. So he could well be found out.
And so what would you recommend Jeremy do to protect himself?
Well, in this situation, it may be possible to apply for a tax amnesty. We may be able to get it. On the other hand, the tax department may say, hey, we're already investigating. In that case, we'd have to work to try to avoid any criminal prosecution. I think we could do that. Say, look, the man got bad advice. He really didn't have a criminal. We'd have to argue our way out of it. But it's wise to try to do that before the RCMP ends up at his door, and then he can be charged.
So they're a step away from him, you're suggesting,
That's
if they're
right.
already
So
on
it's
the
a very
account.
delicate situation. We do have many situations like that,
Yes.
and we handle them a little differently than a tax amnesty. And I tell the people, look, the best thing I can do for you is try to avoid you getting charged criminally, because if that happens, you can't even go across the border if you've got a criminal charge. You're in the computer. Say, hey, this is a criminal. We don't want him in the United States. You won't get there. So it's to his benefit to clean it up.